Hi, this is Paulina with Solar Smart Living. You're probably watching this video because you recently got your solar system, so congratulations, or you're just curious about solar, so we're gonna go through a solar system with you today. Okay, so this is your solar inverter, and this is your solar rec meter. This is a meter that receives all the energy from your solar system, and it's recording it since day one. And this is your net meter. This is a meter that goes back and forth, giving you credits for the energy you sent to the utility and measuring all the energy you're getting from them. Whenever you see the arrow pointing to the right, it's going to mean that you're receiving energy from El Paso Electric or the utility. And when you see it pointing to the left, that's going to mean that you're sending power to the utility. This is your Wi-Fi extender, which connects your inverter to your Wi-Fi so you can look at the production through the online monitoring app. If you ever have trouble with this, a quick fix, if it disconnects from the Wi-Fi, you can just unplug it and plug it back in so it looks for the Wi-Fi signal again. On your solar rec meter, you can quickly verify that your system is producing power by looking at those 3 squares that should be moving whenever the sun's hitting your solar panels. Thank you so much for watching this video, and congratulations on your new solar system. For any service or questions, please call our main office number 915-400-2995.